For this project you will need Cricut Maker
or Explore Air 2,
LightGrip cutting mat, Cricut Printable Sticker Paper, Cricut Brayer, Cricut Design app installed on a compatible device, and an inkjet printer. Open a new project in Design Space and select Upload. Click Upload Image and select the relevant file. Once the design has been uploaded, select the image type from the options listed. Select Continue. You will then be taken through to the Select and Erase screen. Here you can tidy up your design to remove any elements you do not wish to appear on it using the wand, eraser and crop icons. Once complete, use the Preview button to check all unwanted elements have been removed. Click Continue. Select the Print Then Cut image option and name your file, adding any relevant tags. Click Upload. Once uploaded, the design will appear in the Recent Uploads section. Select it and click Insert Images to add it to your canvas. Resize the design as desired, making sure to take note of any warning symbols in the Layers tab. When the project design is complete, select Make It. You will then be taken through to the Map Preview screen. Ensure everything is correct before clicking Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to print your design onto the Cricut sticker paper. Once the design has been printed, place the sheet onto a LightGrip cutting mat using a brayer, then load the mat into the machine. Use the on-screen instruction to carry out the cut, pressing the flashing Cricut icon when directed. The machine will begin by scanning for the sensor marking, then cutting around the image or images. Once complete, carefully remove the sheet from the cutting mat. The stickers are then ready to be used. Add them to a notebook cover, gift tags, envelopes, diaries or even jars. The possibilities are endless. Top tips. The Print Then Cut feature is available on the Cricut Maker
and the Cricut Explore Air 2.
The Print Then Cut feature can also be used on Cricut Printable Vinyl and Cricut Clear sticker paper. As well as uploading own Print Then Cut sticker designs, there are hundreds of designs in the Design Space library that can also be used. Print Then Cut is not yet available on Android devices.
To find out more about Cricut, visit hobbycraft.co.uk.